Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So, if you've sent money using Apple Pay but the receiver hasn't received it yet, it can be stressful because you expect instant transfers and clear confirmation. Situations like this often make users think the payment is lost, but in reality, delays can happen due to verification checks, network issues, or pending transaction status. Apple Pay transactions usually process quickly, but sometimes they may take longer depending on account settings or bank processing times. The important thing is to understand where the payment is stuck and how to resolve it step by step. In most cases, the money is not lost, it's just waiting to be completed or accepted. So, in this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to fix Apple Pay transfer delays and ensure your money reaches the recipient. Try these. 1. Check the transaction status in your Apple Wallet. 2. Confirm the recipient's details are correct. 3. Ask the recipient to accept the payment if pending. 4. Ensure both devices have a stable internet connection. 5. Restart your device to refresh the payment status. 6. Wait and recheck if the payment completes successfully.